Good afternoon from the floor of the LME. The gold market is poised right on a knife's edge at the moment, with forces tugging in both directions. On the one hand, we've got ETF outflows continuing unabated in the West, but on the other, in China, demand remains robust ahead of Chinese New Year. And with the dollar acting erratically and not really giving gold a clear direction either, prices have been in a very narrow $8 range for most of today. But that said, it's been at the higher edge of its recent range, and after pushing to a 1-month high at about $1,255 per ounce, gold was last still near this level, straddling the $1,250 per ounce level. Now, analysts have told the Bullion desk that resistance is up at about $1,268 per ounce, that mainly coming from FastMarkets' own William Adams. And if it can overcome this level, it may break as high as $1,300 per ounce, Adel Tully at UBS said yesterday. But then again, there's also a lot of challenges on the downside. There's real potential for the metal to revisit $1,180 per ounce, where its 3-year low currently sits. So there's really a lot going on in the gold market. Looking at silver, it seems to have overcome resistance at $20.50, trading just above that level at last check. Then in the platinum group metals, a little bit of a nothing market at the moment. The metals are going in slightly different directions. Palladium just higher, platinum just lower, which is strange really, because there's real threats of strike in major producers South Africa, with the Association of Mineworkers and Construction Union, or AMCU for short, appearing to be looking for an industry-wide strike in the next few months. It has last got permission to strike at Impala Platinum. Now, should it strike at all of the mines that it controls, that will take about half of the world's production offline. So this is a pretty big development, and it's strange that the platinum group metals hasn't responded more. Platinum was last sitting at $1,430 per ounce, and palladium at $730 per ounce. This is Eddie van der Walt signing off for the Bullion desk from the floor of the LME.